Alright, this video is going to demonstrate how to install CODESYS 2.3 on Linux using the Wine libraries. And we're installing this on a version of Linux called Ubuntu, version 10.04. And this is a free download. There are no licensing fees or anything to pay with this, aside from the CODESYS, obviously, when we install that. The first thing we need to do is install the Wine libraries. So this is a fresh installation. I'm just going to walk you through that real quick. So we're going to do a sudo apt-get update, and all that does is goes out on the internet and updates all of its sources for the updates. And then we want to do a sudo apt-get install Wine, and Wine is the Windows compatibility layer. Basically emulates the executables for Windows. Alright, the update is completed, and at this point we're ready to install CODESYS. So what I've done is just copied over a folder with the CODESYS installation, and I'm just going to go down to the setup exe file and double click it, and here you can see it started up Wine. So it's at this point it's emulating Windows. I'm going to just do an installation in English. Just going to go with the defaults for everything here. And now it's install wizard is installing all of the CODESYS files. Alright, it's done, so I'm going to click finish here. And before we actually load it, I just want to quickly show you where those files are installed. If I go to computer, file system, the home directory, user, and actually want to show hidden files because it puts them in Wine, program files, WAGO software. I'm just going to copy this quick start project in here. So here we have CODESYS. I'm going to open up that project I copied in, the quick start guide. And there's some libraries in there that aren't used. So you can see here under target settings, I have all my targets available to me. And PLC configuration, you can see my modules are here. So the last thing we need to do is configure the communication parameters under online. And you just want to make sure your gateway is set to local. And once you've done that, then you can set up your communication parameters to talk to your PLC. In this case, it's 4.83 IP address. And I log in, recognizes the PLC, downloads it, and I can run the processor, and you can see it is getting data from the PLC.